Hey guys, today we're gonna make a toilet paper roll holder. Here we have some of my favorite characters I drew and painted. Here we have Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's, Steve from Minecraft, SpongeBob, and Pingu. On the other side, we have Max from The Secret Life of Pets, Dave from the Minions movie, Woody from Toy Story, and Pikachu from Pokemon. We're going to make a different one now. So these are materials we'll need to make it. We'll need markers, a toilet paper roll, googly eyes, glue, scissors, and any base plate you'll want. That's it, let's get started. First, you'll get your toilet paper roll and then you'll have to paint it any color you like. Here we have a yellow one, so we'll continue with that. And then, if you want, you'll put in googly eyes. It can be any size you like. Just make sure if it's tiny, just put in a small dot like that. Then you'll stick it anywhere you like on it. And then we'll draw on other stuff on the face. We're making a Pikachu face. And next we're gonna put it on the base. But before that, we will have to draw a line on near to the bottom, then cut out a few lines going the other direction, just going upwards. And then you do that so on until you reach the end. If you accidentally cut it too far, you might get to tape it, and then you'll fold the flaps. And then once you reach the other side, you can now glue it. And then you get to put it on. So now let's glue it. There it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And please don't forget to keep on watching me. And shout out to my subscribers. I love you guys. Bye!